In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment to Freshbooks. Whether you're using Freshbooks for your business or as a freelancer, keeping track of payments is essential for maintaining an accurate financial overview. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can seamlessly manage your invoice payments with confidence. First, head over to the Invoices section on your Freshbooks account. This is your primary hub for managing all invoice-related tasks. Once you're there, locate and click on the specific invoice for which you've received a payment. Selecting the correct invoice is crucial as it ensures your records remain precise and organized. After you've opened up the desired invoice, you need to access the Add Payment option. To do this, look to the top corner of the screen where you'll find 3 stacked dots, often referred to as the More Actions menu. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down appear. From this menu, go ahead and select Add a Payment. This is where you'll be entering the details of the payment you've received. Now, let's move on to entering the specific details of the payment. First up is the amount. Often, the full outstanding amount is already filled in for you, but don't worry if you've only received a partial payment, as you can adjust this amount accordingly. Next, choose the payment method the client used. This could be a credit card, bank transfer, or even cash, whatever applies to your particular transaction. Then, confirm the date. By default, this will be set to today's date, yet you're free to adjust this if the payment was received on a different day. Finally, if there's anything noteworthy about this transaction, you can add those details in the Notes section. This is a great place to keep track of any specific circumstances or agreements relevant to the payment. Once all the details are correctly entered, the last step is to save this information. This can be done by clicking Add or Done, depending on what the button says at the time. This step finalizes the process and updates the invoice to reflect the payment you've just recorded. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully added a payment to your Freshbooks invoice, ensuring your financial records are up to date and accurate. This workflow not only saves you time, but also reduces the risk of errors in your accounting processes. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials on getting the most out of Freshbooks and beyond.